Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to upload and import an image into Roblox Studio. First, let's create a part and make it a bit bigger. Oops, accidentally hit Move, Scale. Now add a surface GUI to this part and add an image label to the surface GUI. You can play around with the position here if you want. Make it a little bigger or a little smaller. Let's say 0.5, 0.5, and place it somewhere else. You can also adjust the size, by the way. Like this. 150 will make it wider. To add an image here, we need to find the image label. And here you'll see the source field. Next, we need to go to Google, log into your Roblox account, go to Create, click Creations, Developer, Items, Decals, and upload a decal. Click here, select a photo, and click Upload. This photo is just an example. There. After that, copy these numbers here. Go back to Roblox Studio, press Ctrl 5, hit enter, and it'll load the photo. That's it. This has been Vissimpoka.